expensive, but if you don't have a club willing to donate their time, then it doesn't do any good to spend the money.
Last tour we did was in 2015.
Oh my goodness. 10 years ago. That thing's
You had a nice
Cork.
They're gonna do 2025, but they might not do 2026 and beyond because they couldn't get enough people, anybody to step up on this stuff anymore. So that would be a shame to lose, that massive of a show.
This cork has to come off, because this cork,
Is it
even though it's new, it's going to eventually sink,
eventually?
the alcohol.
Yep.
So we're going to put that one on there.
All right. Well, do you need the, because this is a sealed kit, do you need
Yeah,
the
I'll need all of that.
Okay.
There should be 2 sets in there. Yeah, I got 2 kits there.
Okay.
We only need 1.
You need the ring?
But you need to cut that cork off of there and preserve as much of that as you can.
As much of the
Yeah.
brass you mean?
Inside the dash. And that fuel gauge, cork float, has not been working for some time. It sinks because of the ethanol alcohol in modern gasoline.
The guy that had it 5 years
So Joe is replacing it with a material on the float end that will not deteriorate over time and will continue showing you the proper level of the fuel. You got the cork off?
Yes. Yeah, I just cut it off.
Oh, okay. There's the pieces. It looked like it has a shellac or something on it.
They do varnish it, but the new gasoline that has alcohol in it soaks into the cork. The old did not. So the cork is not a good idea.
Nope.
And they
Well,
replace
gas
it
isn't a good idea.
with, Mike, you want to hand me that bag in the center?
Is it some kind of plastic?
Yeah, it's a plastic foam,
Okay.
hard exterior.
All right.
And then the rest of this is new gaskets for where this piece goes into the dash.
So when it was flooded, I could literally see gasoline through the little glass window.
When the tank is full, that's correct.
Well, that's a real window into the gas tank.
It is. Yep. And you've got the full to empty gauge in there.
Of course, that's also why you want to have functioning gaskets.
Oh yeah.
You don't want gas to be dribbling into the
No, it'll smell bad.
or start a fire.
Yeah, well, I don't recommend smoking.
Making progress. It's stuck, huh?
I got some movement out of it.
Oh, that's quite a tool.
It ought to start loosening up a little easier now.
You want us to put this water pump on?
Oh, yeah.
Weren't you
This is
asking about
the rebuilt one.
that? Okay.
Gonna put the water pump back on while Joe is working on the fuel gauge.
Andy, you should do the newsletter and just do it in video.
Yeah.
Do you have the new one?
Yes, it's right here, sir.
It's not connected yet.
Takes a lot of time to do.
Did you save that little washer thingamabob?
It's still on the shaft.
No. Oh, yeah, I see.
It'll make it all the way up to the threads.
The newsletter video would probably make everybody happy because nobody can see anymore to read.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go over to the shop for a second.
Just like nail polish. You know when I do my toenails?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking. Is it okay to get it on the bolts?
Yeah.
Almost looks like the same color you typically use.
It's gummy. Is that the way it should be, or?
Yeah. Well, this is a little dry, but
Yeah. Typically it's a little gooey, or less gooey, a little thinner, but it will work the same. Call me Nurse Ratchet. Other way, sir. I'm here to assist you.
just making sure you're watching.
Not the same size, sir. Look closer over here where we have these.
These are just
Snugged.
Collection of various lock washers.
He's got everything.
So, 2 more were found to get this job done. They're probably down on the garage or under the hood here somewhere, but you gotta move on, and then when found, they'll go into his little cup of lock washers.
spares, we call them. We spent the first 40 years of our marriage east of the Mississippi.
The Caldwell house is not sold yet.
You can just cut the old cork off.
Okay.
And then you got this little brass washer that you got to get over this flat. And the way to do that is just to, once you got the cork off, you slide the washer out of the way and you take your little
What was that?
trusty mallet and you hammer that flat round again. Put it all back together, and then you squeeze it flat. It's malleable.
1973.
And now you got a float that'll never
A
sink.
lot longer than
So these aren't a specific torque? Just
Well, I'm sure there is one, but with that Permatex in there, just taking it snug and making sure you get them all the same, so you don't have a high corner.
Watch for the key.
The key is the key.
removing the 4-blade fan to reinstall it on the rebuilt water pump.
I see the key way.
Really pretty foliage.
Nice.
Hold on back.
Does that require additional seal around, or is that just some kind of gum?
It's just dry. Someone goes back me.
You think the ball peen went down to the garage?
It's the ball peen is down by the vise.
Down by the
Okay,
lights.
where's the 2-pound then? They don't have to be that tight.
Oh, okay.
They're weighted wing nuts. So by pointing down, gravity keeps them from walking out.
Oh, so it won't.
So this keeps the cover on without breaking. This is pure Bakelite, the old style,
Right.
and it's pretty brittle, especially being old, but Bakelite itself is brittle. So these can be loose, but because they're weighted,
They won't fall
gravity
off.
keeps them from falling off, rattling or vibrating off.
That's interesting.
You know how? Slight bit of persuasion, but
the key?
Oh,
put a little coil on that. Gave it a couple
Boing.
taps. No. And let it sit for a second.
yeah.
And,
You need a
So the
screwdriver?
key is
Try
a
that.
piece of metal that
yep.
slides into a
doesn't wanna
slot
come
somewhere,
out.
huh?
You need a screwdriver.
I'm gonna go get the coil again.
All right, where's the...
All right, Bill. See if you got a more magic touch on that. Cutting knife didn't want to do it.
Just the other pliers and,
The black ones.
yeah, whatever, wiggle it. Well, sometimes that's all you feel like.
And sometimes you don't. Now the big question is going to be,
Now what you do with your wrench. And I'll need my glasses. Which are on the running board.
Oh, from the...
Yeah.
Do you all have names for your vehicles?
Mine, ooh, that nice fat, yeah, nice fat one would be nice.
You know, Bessie or
Mine is just Henry,
Henry
smaller shaft.
or Matilda or
this one's on the 49 Buick super that I bought, so I knew how to put the woody bag together. Pam named Matilda because that was her mom's name.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
You got a lot of end play in this water pump, Joe. Is that okay?
How much in play?
Half an inch.
3/16. Model A is Henry.
Oh, of course, Henry Ford.
And the Rolls is Raleigh.
Okay. So we do have
Yeah,
pet names for
absolutely.
classic vehicles. I haven't. Maybe I should name it By. That was my dad's name.
Well, I really was not in a hurry to name all of them until my daughter started naming them and giving stupid girl names.
Rot away.
I guess that's good enough. I'm not gonna get too picky with it.
There's like a washer here that will reduce the play in this.
Yeah, too much end play, they call that.
So there I am, my first time on the video, the reflection in the fender. So we've been doing this all day today. We had a great lunch and things are working out good. Should be done in, I don't know, 45 minutes.
Oh, come on. You know how hard it was for us to get that in there?
Where's the vice grips?
So, you gotta take that out now?
I took Pam back there. We went to the vintage races. Poor Pam. You know, her ex-husband never took her anywhere or had her go anywhere, do anything. And
You'd
guess
be a
what?
good
You're now
dentist, you know?
immersed
That
in
didn't
the
even
parks.
hurt.
Get to go to all the big museums in the country, and she kissed the bricks at Indy.
Well, we may not need that extra washer now.
Yeah, quite possibly.
Yeah, we were not engaging the castle nut at all with the cotter pin.
All that trouble I went through.
You're hosed.
Good and tight.
We'll be back in the machine shop is what we'll be. That feels perfect.
Yep.
You do good work.
I do perfect.
Take back all the things we said when you were walking down to the shop.
Keys
Boy,
back in
I
there.
hope he's got a parts list.
I can't wait to see my bill.
Okay. Do you want the washer still, you think? Or no?
You can put it on the side until. If we have over $10,000, the IRS will take it away from us,
Oh, okay.
which was complete, you're running, I'll say, baloney.
Yeah, baloney.
And so I'm sitting there as a brand new member and I'm going to the guy next to me who's also a businessman. And I said, do these guys really know what they're talking about? Do they really believe that nonsense? Again, I know you got your thing running.
Well, you know, the amount I'll be actually using.
This is for his personal knowledge. For storing a Model A, he's going to start a
You know,
video.
But,
series.
you know, the plumber, I better stop now.
My shoulder and my elbow.
Oh, I heard that.
Oh, that's over here.
Yeah, that was over there.
Your left and right, too. Huh?
Is that where it was? But my eyes aren't lined up enough to get it in there.
It does go on stiff.
There it goes.
Yep. And a cotter pin doesn't really care which way it's bent. It doesn't have to be bent around. The biggest thing here is to make it so it's not going to catch somebody and hurt them.
Yeah. The pen doesn't care what the person working on the pen might.
Yeah, that person might have something to say about it.
I've seen some that they only bend one.
That's correct, but this is right where you can get your hand and really tear it up.
Yeah.
Pull the belt over there and see if we can get it to go on.
Is it loose?
I would think so.
It is.
Now, I don't know if you were here when he took that loose. There's a missing. There's something about that.
It's close.
That's what she said. Well, we'll have to go the other side.
Come on, baby, you can do it. Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Ready?
Ready. Got it.
Did I get you?
Nope.
I missed you.
You've tried.
So what's that blood?
Yeah. Oh my God! Take the gloves off.
Yeah.
So did you have to get permission to publish this
Kind of, sort of. The first publisher wouldn't publish it.
through your former employer or through the government or the military?
No, Random House.
Oh,
Because then you get one chapter and you can't remember who you named who.
Now what are you gonna do? Take it all
I'd love to talk to you about that sometime.
Well, read the book. Read the book first.
Now we're gonna have to take the head off.
Very trying. Listen to my wife.
Should we start putting a radiator in or anything, Joe?
Yeah.
Okay,
You're swapping the wires?
we're on it.
We don't have any stinking ignition wires on this.
Yeah. This
It's
has
close
got,
enough.
This has got so much spark that it jumps right across
You know,
there.
Joe told me that. I was concerned that the copper conductors were a little loose. He said, "Oh, yeah, loose?
This one fit
As long as they're nearby." Yeah, I think Byron's appropriate name for this Model A.
Byron.
That's my dad's name, and
Excellent.
he went
like
by
that.
By, but By sounds, it doesn't mean as much as a name. You know, By is going away.
No, it's got other implications.
Is it fixable?
You went for a walk, Boba, and then we're talking
Sure.
about Alan's dog, your mail. And she's going, oh yeah, she's a good one.
Yeah, that's no big deal. I'm surprised it has a washer on it. But needs
I had to
for
put
the
one on,
Cutter pin.
otherwise I missed the cutter pin.
Sure. No problem.
But, you know, this feels great.
Yeah,
If anything, I got the belt too tight.
it'll be fine.
It'll loosen.
So,
Especially
put a
since
piece
it's-
of cardboard here before you set the radiator in there.
Please
so it
do,
won't tear up.
yes.
There's a piece you're standing on, which is
Okay, I'm gonna move my,
Are your fancy spring-loaded bolts nearby?
yeah, they're right there.
Shock bolts.
Let's clear everything out of the way that we don't need.
And I still had to open every spare parts box.
That's why you have spare parts, though.
Ah, very good.
Sort of.
All right, Randy, you're gonna have to help me.
Ready to hit the starter?
What do you need me to do?
Fire in the hole.
Ah,
Okay, so
Okay.
this here deal, where was it?
Well, we're just getting it positioned.
Behind the radiator, or behind the headlights.
Yeah.
So where's the
Okay,
fire?
hold on.
it just was hidden, went directly into this.
Okay. We may have to shrink that cardboard.
I think
So
so.
pointing down,
I got this.
I'm going to clean it up now, so it would illuminate
That black knife is around here somewhere.
the gauges. Yeah. In fact, was it screw?
I'm sure it was.
Yeah.
Black knife, black knife. Oh.
I gotta remember where the knife went. And quite honestly, I have a video of me taking that apart, so I can show you exactly. Would that help?
You have a video?
Yeah. One of the 847.
What are the odds?